his names. No, his,
Okay.
it's his government.
Okay.
Really, you two people.
The girl will come now wicked. We don't know her name. Yeah. The girl will come now wicked.
Tell me her name, though.
People, what's your name?
The girl will come in a wicked. Come YouTubers.
The black girl will come now wicked.
Why are you looking over here? You're team over there, so.
Team TikTok.
Come team YouTube. Shan.
Tell me her name quick. We forward in that thing there.
You said the girl will come in a wicked.
I Cynthia, she name?
There you go. Envo.
Yeah. Respect. Portable pastries, big up yourself. My side on fire. Who's next? Dimples.
Stop it nice now.
Help her
She
over
just
here.
come back.
Okay. Alright.
She come
No,
show it
have a
over
look.
there. She come show it over there, so.
Yeah, but me not see.
All right, me never see properly. She's
Me know that.
See here.
Hold on there, hold on. Me know that mouth there.
Oh, the boss.
What?
Forward there. Let me see that again.
People, come down.
Ariana that?
No.
Ariana?
Alright.
Rihanna, me disappointed, auntie.
Rihanna!
Disappointed. What?
Chill off. Come Shelly. Set up yourself, man.
Set up or get up.
Yeah, man. Sexy Charmaine, big up yourself.
Tali said they will come around me.
Ready? YouTubers.
Boy.
Here.
J-Lo.
It's a clean sweep.
Yo, I'm on a roll, man. I'm on a roll, man.
You Tali she Angela Jolie.
All right.
Guys, I'm on my night tonight. I'm out of it.
Cheese and peace, man. The youth will do the talk show, man. The talk show youth.
I don't know him there.
The talk show
Him
youth.
always watching.
Yeah, the talk show youth, man.
I don't remember. Chantal, you cannot be calling me now. You have to depend on the live.
Talk show youth. In
10 seconds. 10.
I know, I just can't remember the name. I'm watch more than
They watch him Wally, me can't remember now.
Jimmy Kimmel.
It's a Kimmy fella.
Fallon. Jimmy Fallon.
You get the right skill.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Fallon. Yeah.
Ooh.
Kimmel is the one that kick off of the thing the other day and after bringing back a show.
Yeah.
Right.
You know?
Fallon, right.
Ooh.
DiCaprio.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Ooh.
I had to get one.
Alright.
Wait.
Just the open
Good.
second.
Alright.
Up there.
It's a bit low there.
What is that? Gillian boy? Yeah man, you're up with it, Jenna.
Brad Pitt. No, not Brad Pitt. Oh God, what name? Oh
You're right.
God.
You're right.
It's Brad Pitt.
Oh,
What are you doing to
okay.
yourself?
Wow.
You're right.
No, let me tell you, look at some actors look alike.
No, we have to see it same time. So once you have to go this one, I have to see it
You
same
know,
time.
so this is what I do first.
Mm-hmm.
You know who is it?
Mm-hmm.
Nikki, at night, you're in my studio as we speak. Which studio?
Sorry, ready?
Which studio?
Come on,
Ready?
my favorite movie.
Ready. Tom Hanks.
Yeah.
At least make it
Ooh.
Brad Pitt and who is it?
Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio.
So,
I like this game.
That was easy.
No.
Of course it is.
This is very easy.
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp, she gets it.
Johnny Depp was my favorite name.
Why you say easy? That's
Peas
easy.
and peas.
Come on, she said Jack Sparrow.
Yes, I'll wait. No. When I say real name.
Yo.
Let's see.
But if you could give me an order.
Oh, shut up. You never give me.
Yeah.
One square.
I'm sorry.
4-3.
Which 4-3?
Which fortune?
I treat me get.
You know
How
how
much we
good?
got?
How could they about 6?
You know, so I feel like
A
there's
6-3.
There's something going on.
6-3.
Caller.
Yeah.
Yeah. You I cut down the score.
I'm not, I'm sorry.
So, one.
6-3 the game, I say.
Da-da-dee. But it's
Sean, you over here, so.
See,
Sean said she switch, because you don't look on the screen.
see, nice is may I look on the screen. See, nice is a 4-3.
Alright.
Nice is a 4-3.
Let me see. Hold on.
Jennifer,
Car. Jennifer.
Rihanna. I'm more than
Rihanna.
4.
Jimmy Fallon.
You never get that one there.
No, wait, so
Yes, him get it.
Kelly, him said the last. Kimmel, him say.
Also, that's why I'm not giving.
Oh, so you're not giving that.
No.
Oh, okay. Alright. So, 4-3. Alright. Let's do this.
That's dog stop.
Alright, ready?
So, dos.
Feel like there's a fight in that one.
Yeah.
2 more leave.
2 leave.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, if you can get one, him win already.
Oh my gosh, why you have to laugh like that?
Samuel Jackson. Samuel L. Jackson.
Game done.
And that,
But we get last one for fun.
folks,
Yeah, last one for
Is-
fun.
What last one for fun?
it.
You win,
You
last
win,
one
but
for
the
fun.
last one for fun.
So this is called Brata.
Rotting. You know, say, keep bringing up because.
This is Brata.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see.
Come and serve mouth.
Let's see.
Kiss out.
And a kiss out him name.
Wow.
Yeah, Keanu Reeves now kiss out.
Wow.
So if we do this first, then that's sorry.
Yeah.
I did the what's it up? Sarah, what? Yes, that was.
And then
Yes.
you know how I know say him?
6.
From
John Wick.
the last movie where him do now, the God movie.
Where I
As
play
in
the
cleared
angel.
up and
Oh,
yeah.
That's what I'm saying.